Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. The X, known as Twitter, post from Family Writers Press International at Abuja Federal Courtroom provides an update on the court proceedings involving Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, leader of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB and the federal government of Nigeria. The case commenced with both legal teams introducing themselves, and the fifth witness, PWEEE, was called for cross-examination. Due to the presence of Department of State Services (DSS) officers closely monitoring court attendance, live updates of the cross-examination were not made available to the public to avoid contempt of court orders. This reflects a pattern of restricted access to Kanu's trial, as seen in previous instances where live streaming was banned, such as the case of his sister-in-law, Favour Kanu, who was prohibited from attending court sessions for live streaming proceedings. The post urges Biafrans to remain patient and highlights the ongoing tension and secrecy surrounding Kanu's trial, which has been a point of contention, with IPOB previously threatening to cripple Nigeria over the handling of the case by the judiciary, indicating significant public and organizational interest in the outcome. The post by Family Writers Press International was published as follows. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court update, the 19th of May 2025. The case between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Nigeria has commenced with both legal teams introducing themselves. Shortly after, the fifth witness named PWEE has been called into the witness box for cross-examination. However, due to the close monitoring of court attendance by some DSS officers present in court, unfortunately, live updates from proceedings of cross-examination in chief of witness PWEE will not be made available to the public at this moment to avoid being held in contempt of court orders. Meanwhile, we urge Biafrans to remain patient and unwavering as we strive to do the needful. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV. Stay tuned.
So what's the plan? They want to file a motion for setting aside of that judgment. Judgment has been then file the processes. Okay. It's not
Good morning, sir. Fine, thank you. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Mr. Maxwell. Good morning.
All of us is the winners, only a man does it. And this justice.
Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. The post by Legal Special Counsel to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor.